Can a half-ton truck tow this? This is a Jayco Eagle 24RE. Neatly tucked away is a plumbing system, a spray port, pass-through storage, and automatic leveling system. Lots of storage in the front area where there's room for 2 batteries and space for a generator. The Jayco Eagle comes with aluminum rims, Goodyear tires, Morride CRE 3000 suspension, and Dexter axles. Behind is a 4-point hydraulic leveling system. In the rear is a built-in ladder, backup camera, and a receiver for bikes or more storage. Jayco's include another assist handle, along with the oversized handle and sturdy aluminum steps. The weight of this unit is only 78-80 pounds, with a total length of 29 feet 2 inches. This nice L-shaped kitchen maximizes on counter space, along with a stainless steel deep dual sink, 3-burner gas stove, a deep oven, a microwave, and a 2-door fridge. In the entertainment area is a big TV, an electric fireplace, a huge sound bar, and tons of cabinet space. This entertainment is different than others. It comes with a little surprise. You can open it up and behind it is extra storage. Check out all the extra space. In the living room is a tri-fold sofa bed that will sleep another 2 people. In the dinette area is a freestanding table that will extend out for more table area. The bench area is also multifunctional. You can use it as an ottoman or extra storage. The bathroom is quite spacious, with a full medicine cabinet and a sunken-in tub shower with a skylight. In the bedroom is a 60 by 80 queen bed, with wardrobe storage on either side and extra cabinets across. So do you think a half-ton truck can tow this? Let me know in the comments.